the right man comes along and you're also the
Mm.
right woman for him, ano ang nakikita mong mababago sa dynamic mo in being
Mm.
intimate with a man?
Wow. So, I started to like people, ganyan. But then, eto nga po, nandito ako ngayon sa time na what do you want this? After all the healing, anong gusto mo in a guy? And the Lord is giving me options na, is this what you want? Ito ba yung is this what do you want to ask him of me? Parang gusto mo ba siyang makasama? Ganun, can you live with this person? Na eto ba is something that you're willing to pay the price to be in a relationship with this man? Is this something that would fit your call? And I know na when he asked of that, ang sinasabi niya, willing ka ba to pay the price? Are you willing to surrender to be under this person? Kasi di ba ang wife would be under his leadership. Are you willing to give up in independence? Are you willing to mingle with the friends? Are you willing to deal with the in-laws? Are you okay with are you willing to forgive pag nagkamali siya? Will you fight for the marriage kung maging married kayo? It's really like dying to self. That's, are you ready? Are you ready to die to yourself? So, nandun
Mm.
po ako ngayon sa
Mm.
ano yun, conversation na yan with